Hey, it's JC. Welcome to Urban Life Guy, where we explore the urban lifestyle and the jungle survival. Previously, I did a video on EDC and talked about why one would EDC for convenience, emergency, or survival. I also did another video where I talked about functional and lifestyle EDC. This video combines both of these lines of thoughts together to form a more robust EDC framework, for lack of a better phrase. First, if you watch this channel regularly but have not subscribed, please do so to help the channel out. And if you'd like to support the channel even more, do check out my shop links in the pinned comment or description. And you can even join this channel as a member. Thanks a lot. There are many opinions on EDC, and there's no right or wrong, as your EDC philosophy depends on many factors like your geopolitical environment, social setting, working and living environment, country and state regulations, and personal mindset to preparedness. As such, I organize one's EDC philosophy into three categories: convenience, emergency, and survival. You could say that these are different levels of preparedness without getting into complicated levels. After you decide which category of EDC you fall in, then you can consider whether you're more into functional or lifestyle EDC. Functional EDC means carrying items you need for work, hobbies, or activities that you engage in. Your environment can also determine your functional EDC. For example, if it rains all the time, you might need items for bad weather. Lifestyle EDC is more for comfort, portability, fashion, or just for fun. It does not mean that your EDC is not functional if it's lifestyle oriented, but the emphasis on choosing what you carry is not just dependent on function, but also the aesthetics or personal wants. Your personal philosophy will then guide you on what you might carry. For example, if you are just into EDC for convenience and fully functional, you might carry something as simple as this. So this is the Victorinox Rambler and the Olight IR2. So these you can pocket carry or put on a keychain, very functional, and they don't take up much space, and they're really helping you make your day-to-day life more convenient. If you're more into emergency, you might carry a bit more things. You might carry an EDC pouch, which has more tools, maybe a bigger light, and then different tools within the compartment, including some first aid capabilities. So this is more for emergencies, or rather say small emergencies, but still encompasses functionality and maybe a bit of lifestyle as well. Now, if your mindset is more for survival, you might carry a pouch. Now, this is a very small example, but maybe you might load out a pouch with different tools, different things that you think might help you in a survival situation, whether it's first aid, cordage, fire making capabilities, more robust tools, etc. And of course, these are just really crude examples, but examples of how your EDC loadout would really change depending if you're thinking in terms of convenience, emergency, or survival, and whether you're thinking in terms of functional or lifestyle EDC. So what is your personal EDC philosophy? Do you EDC for convenience, emergency, or survival? And do you choose functional or lifestyle EDC, or a combination of both? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I personally straddle between convenience and emergency. What's good to have a survival mindset, prepping for survival EDC is a slippery slope and may not be practical. Of course, it depends on your environment. If you live in a country that's literally at war or under threat, you will need survival EDC. Personally, I always think it's a great exercise to prepare for survival by thinking through it, and even preparing a kit, even if you're not carrying it, allows you to think of the things you might need, and you might be able to find things in your environment to use in a survival situation. As to functional or lifestyle EDC, I definitely think I'm a combination of both. For example, this is something I would carry. Very functional, my phone, my key fob, and a folder, but at the same time, you can see it's matched together with this carbon fiber look. So that's definitely more lifestyle than anything else. So I straddle between, I think, both worlds, between convenience, emergency, as well as functional and lifestyle EDC. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like the content in general, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.